Another tree, one of my favourites. I love the leaves and I love the nuts. The sweet chestnut. I think it's just such a gorgeous looking tree. The wood is fantastic. There's a firewood and for furniture. And the sweet chestnuts in autumn. Yeah, in this country traditionally don't grow very large because up until the last few years we've not had enough sun. It is very much a Spanish, Portuguese, Italian type tree, I think. But hopefully we will get larger nuts as the weather warms here, and that will be one benefit. They come very, very spiny until they fall from the tree and the nuts inside. So they have that protective outer cover while they're growing. And the leaves are just so shiny and thick, lustrous, and don't seem to struggle with a lot of disease either. So this could be a tree that does better in our climate, and may potentially take over from the ash. Who knows? And there's lots of them on here. Sweet chestnuts. Oh, another aspen there, I believe. Hawthorn. Information here. Oh, this is the ash tree. Fast growing native tree. Sadly, an estimated 6 out of 7 ash trees could succumb to the devastating disease, the ash dieback. It said it makes up 13% of our broadleaf woodlands. We'll have to see. We'll have to see about the ash dieback, because back in the 80s and 90s we had the Dutch elm disease from the Netherlands. Really did decimate the elm population in the UK. There are still a few left. But yeah, ash are one of some of our oldest trees in the country are ash as well. So it remains to be seen just what is going to